YouTube? Today I am back with my second music reaction video. If y'all see this at Billie Eilish BMO, that's right there because it's verified as her video and it won't get copyrighted. So that's what that's for. So I had to prop the camera. Wait, I might need a little bit more lighting. Y'all can't see me, bro. Yeah, y'all can. Wait, yeah, that's right there because to get the video more like. Hold up, bro. Gotta get that right. Alright. Yeah. So the real reason I'm reacting to this video is because one of my friends told me that this video is really fire. So let's get right into this. Hey, first thing, just beat hard. Wait, y'all heard that? She said, if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Wait, if you turning blue, don't that mean like... Y'all know what it means, bro. I can't say it up on here. I'm gonna get copyright banned, whatever. Hey, but that's crazy, though. Hey, this is hard. Look, this is hard, bro. Hey, man, that's the type of song. That's the type of song if I don't want to listen to Boss Man, D-Lo, Lil Baby, NBA Youngboy, and all them. This is my type of jam right here when I don't want to listen to that kind of music. Hey, listen to what she's saying, bro. She finna go in. Think I need to listen to a little more Billie Eilish, bro. Y'all comment down below if I should react more. She going in. Hey, this music video hard. Oh yeah, she finna get it in. Yeah, here we go. This music video is hard, bro. I'm listening to more Billie Eilish, bro. I'm going through her songs. I don't care. Y'all can say anything. I'm going through her songs and listening to them. This is hard, bro. Like that couch. Look at the way she was sitting on the couch. Look, right there. Look at the way she on the couch. Can't nobody in these comments tell me they ain't never been on the couch like that. Like you just blamed hard and you just lay on the floor and put your feet on the couch. Can't Ain't nobody ever told me they ain't did that. No. Yeah. Yeah. So I guess that's the end. Hey, bro, that's an easy 10 out of 10. Like I said earlier, I'm going to go through what songs and listen to them, bro. This song is a 10 out of 10. Maybe a 12 out of 10, bro. I did not know Billie Eilish still come with this type of music. This is hard, bro. But, hey, I got 2 hours to record, so I think I'm going to give me another video up for y'all. Wait, let me see. Yeah, I got 2 hours. Alright, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all with another video. Peace.